Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete Gmail suggestions history on Android so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you use for sending and receiving emails. Step 2. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on it to open the side menu. Step 3. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the option that says Settings. Tap on it. Then select the General Settings option in the menu. Step 4. Inside the General Settings menu, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots stacked vertically. This is the More Options button. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 5. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Scroll through it until you find the option that says Clear Search History. Tap on it once. Step 6. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete your Gmail search history. This step is important because once it's cleared, you won't see previous suggestions when searching emails. If you're sure, tap on the Clear button to finish. That's it. You've now successfully cleared your Gmail suggestions history on your Android phone. Doing this helps protect your privacy and keeps your email app running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.